that is this hair gets caught on everything.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. If you're wondering why I look like this, it's because I just woke up not too long ago. All I did was brush my teeth. That's it. And I took my morning pee. That's it. What I'm coming to you guys with today is a 3-week update on these passion twists. So if you haven't seen my passion twist video, I did these passion twists in 2 hours, which is pretty good because these take a long time to do. I just crocheted the back end, and then I did the rubber band method on like the first few rows up top. Let's see. So this is what the edges is looking like. A little dusty, musty, and crusty. And I just wanted to let y'all know a few things before y'all decide if this is something that y'all want to do. I usually don't even put a ponytail holder right here. I don't know. So these are crochet passion twists. It's not the hair you gotta twist. It already comes twisted. So, god dang it. I thought that they were gonna look worse after 3 weeks, honestly, because I saw a lot of other people's reviews on their crochet experience with this hair, and I even said in my other video, I was like,
girl, this is gonna look a mess in 3 weeks. Like, I'm ready for it. Like, come at me.
I mentally prepared myself for taking 2 hours to do these, and they wasn't gonna last that long. But it actually didn't. They're not doing too bad. Now, I have type 4 hair. The reason my hair look a little loose up here is because I had edge control and this thing was a little bit in there. One thing I will say that look a mess is if I try to wear this in the middle. Okay. Let's put it in the middle. Let me just...
And
I dropped some stuff. So all I've been doing since I had these braids, these twists for these 3 weeks, is I've been oiling my scalp with this good baby right here. This hair growth, wild growth oil. Ooh, but I don't care about the hair growth. I just want my scalp to not be itching. Because I swear this hair growth oil do not be growing no hair. But baby girl, do stop some itching now. Ooh. Ooh. And since it got this little pointy tip, you can get in there, girl. You can get in the roots. Here's a few problems I did have with these passion twists. If you do decide to put jewels in there, I would definitely recommend like the standard, like these type of jewels, the ones that, you know, had a little cylinder looking ones. I would recommend those ones because they don't get caught on anything. Now, when I use that little wire, you know, that gold wire that the gold wire accessory that you can put around the braid, so it goes down or whatever. The problem that I have with that is this hair gets caught on everything. So when I had that gold wire thing, it was kind of getting tangled in between the other twists, and the one twist was fighting this twist, and they were fighting each other, sis. Like, and I had to take it out. I guess thread might work, but when I put that gold wire one, it made it stiff. Like, and then I don't know how to explain it. So when it comes to hair accessories, definitely choose wisely. If you are like me and you have type 4 hair, of course your hair is going to start to look a little different. Like the luster is not going to match the luster of these. As you can see, like if you really look at the ones in the middle, you could start to tell, like, one, the frizz, sis, the frizz. But if you take some styling mousse, which I'm gonna do when I go to the store and buy some, I'm sure you could lay like this hair down. My hair is starting to not be as shiny as the rest of the hair, which that's with any hairstyle. When you have, you know, type 4 hair, even if you moisturize before, eventually it's gonna start to look different. It just is. It's just the way it is. I ain't mad at the Lord for doing it to me, because, you know, it is what it is. To follow up on it getting caught on everything, if you have jewelry, luckily I used to have this pierced and this, but for some reason they all closed, sis. I don't know what's going on. But if you do have all of these pierced, from what I hear other people's experiences, they get caught because sometimes they get caught in these little dangly earrings. I don't know what it is about this passion twist hair, especially the crochet one, but baby girl, it gets caught on stuff. I have TMI, but I have my nipples pierced, and sometimes, you know, I sleep, you know, I always sleep with shirt on, nothing. You know what I'm saying, like, be hot, so it'll get caught. Like, the hair is long, so it'll get caught on there. It hurt, like, it hurts. I don't really have a problem with it getting tangled, because you just gotta do that. But as you can see, like, you see these little pieces right here? I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like knots. Like, there's like knots. Yeah, see, if you do decide to do it, I'll link my method below. If you do decide to do it the way that I did it, having your hair up is a kind of a problem if you don't braid the back right. I did them kind of thick and sloppy. Y'all saw it in the video right here. So don't laugh if they look a mess.
Oh, it look a mess. I don't know why I told y'all not to laugh, because girl, I am laughing. This is what I meant about them going to the side. Why are they doing the shoulder lean? They lean with it, rock with it. Like, stop.
Yeah, I did it kind of thick and sloppy. So y'all know how you get it sew in the back of the weave, kind of leave a lump? That's what it do here. It's like a weave lump, you know, like a weave lump. You see? Weave lump. Right there. So that was my only thing. I don't care. I still put in the ponytail. If I gotta put in the ponytail, girl, I'm putting in the ponytail. To make it look a little bit more fresh than what it looked like, you just gotta lay the edges. Y'all know I ain't great at laying edges, but I lay it as best as I can. My edge brush and my edge booster, fire. I could never find an edge control that worked for me. Like, everybody was like, yeah, try this, try Creamy Nature, try. No, 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 and no, no, and no, and no, and no. I tried stuff and my edges would be curled, quick, crimping, napping up by the end of the day. But this edge booster literally won't do that. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you it's going to work for your head, because people kept doing that to me. Like, yeah, girl, get it. It's going to work. It work for every hair. There ain't no way. Every hair who? Every hair where? Not here. All right, so basically when I get to these little pieces, it's getting a little white. I got to wash it, but I just twist a little bit. Twist and pull, do a little twist and pull. But I don't have my edge scarf to like lay my edges down and I'm fine. Like, that's what's crazy. Like, I don't need to let them sit or nothing. Like, so we gonna get the other side. Yes, edges, yes. Do what you need to do. Yes, yes, yes. Do what you need to do. I made sure that I wrapped it. I haven't been wrapping it for the past like week. I'm not gonna lie. No, not a week. Probably like the last few days. But it played a big factor when I made sure I wrapped it every night. Like, so make sure you just wrap it up every night and treat it with care, and the more you care for it, the longer it'll last. I don't know what accent that was, but you know what. I'm gonna show you ways that I've worn my hair since I've had it like this. The way I wore it before it started getting frizzy in the middle is I would just wear it down like this, girl, you know what I'm saying? Only reason I don't wear it like this is it's not showing up on camera, but in the middle it's very frizzy, and I don't know. It don't look too bad actually. If I just have some, like I said, if I just have some gel, I would just take it. I don't ever put a ponytail holder in my hair. I don't know why I just did that, but I'll just take two pieces, tie it like that, and boop, that's it. You can wear, I have worn it like this. This way you do need a ponytail holder. So whatever. I don't want it too tight because of my edges. And boom, baby. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Yeah, so I don't know why I had it at that angle. I didn't know I could pop it up here like that. But here's a good example of the knots. Hold on. Look. What is that? What is that? Like, what is that? Come on now. Come on now. One more time. If you want to get these braids, always remember, tangle, tangle, tangle. Caught, caught, caught. That's what they do. They get tangle, 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 and caught, caught, caught. But other than that, they are amazing. Like, they're easy, breezy, beautiful, like all of that. And they don't look ugly when they start to get, these one of those styles that once it starts to get, what's it called? Old and frizzy and dusty, musty, crusty, it don't look bad. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do here. I don't know what just happened, but we're here. So yeah, this is it. This is me. This is real. This is me. This is where I'm supposed to be. Gotta let the light shine on me, period. This is just stuff I wanted you to know before. But I would suggest this. I would 100% suggest this hairstyle. Like, some hairstyles I'd be like, I don't know, sis. No, these I would 100% suggest it. As long as you feel like you'll keep up with wrapping it at night and stuff like that, you're good. And wrap it is not a good word. You gotta throw that bonnet on. That's it. 2 seconds, if that. Oh shoot, where's my bonnet? Here you go. Boop. That's like 4 or 5 seconds. Whatever. But I've been lazy the past few days just because I don't, matter of fact, I haven't been lazy. I don't know where my brown bonnet is. That's the real tea. I don't know where it's at. So I've been trying to use the red one, but by the time I woke up, the red bonnet is on the floor somewhere. So there's my dilemma. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Happy Vlogmas, happy Vlogmas. And front view, side, back view. Bye.